How to remove tea stain from carpet. Blot the tea stain until most of the liquid is removed. Pour a small amount of water directly onto the tea stain. This will dilute the stain, preventing a further damage to the carpet. Apply a carpet spot remover directly onto the affected area. If the tea stain is still visible, mix a bit of white vinegar with a bit of water and apply it directly onto stain using a sponge. Allow this to sit on the tea stain for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse the affected area with cold water. The tea stain should no longer be visible. A second method would be to take a damp cloth and coat it with baking soda, applying directly to the tea stain. Rinse the affected area with cold water and pat dry. Another method is to take a wet cloth and try and absorb any tea that remains from the spill. Pour a generous amount of salt directly onto the stain and follow with a bit of club soda. Rinse with cold water and blot dry the area, or use a vacuum to remove any excess liquid. For more spot cleaning solutions, visit spotremoval.coit.com.